Let us continue with our lesson over here, and in this particular lesson let us go and set up our WebSocket connection to fetch the stream of data from the let's say a Coinbase API or the Coinbase WebSocket API. So if you go over here into the channels over here, WebSocket feed over here, and in the channel we want to get some this the status channel over here. And in this particular status channel, the status channel sends all the product and the currency on a preset interval. So basically they have preset the interval already, and we will receive that updated value on that particular preset interval. So this is the request that we need to add to the stream, and the stream will return us this particular response over here. So let's go back over here, and in the lib folder I'll just go and create the new one. Let's call this one as a repository, and in the repository let's just go and add the new file. This will be of the Coinbase, this was Coinbase and status, right? This is of status, and then the reposi to your repository dot file over here. Let's create the class over here, Coinbase repository, and let me just go and close this one over here. Sometimes the codemum or the AI tool generation is quite messy over here. So first thing that we require is we can remember we read the dependency of this one, and by now you should already know how to pass in the dependency using the Flutter Riverpod, right? So final, I require the Coinbase the status repository over here, and actually you should go and create some kind of the interface over here. That is a good practice if you want to follow the solid principle. But since this is not related to the clean code or the solid principle, we are not going to follow all of those. Let's just go and create the simple class over here that will be of the Coinbase repository, and let's just go and I need that. So let's just go and pass in that one over here. So this is what we currently require over here. And once we have this set up, let's just go down, and we need to call the void init over here. So let's just go and make this one as a private and init over here, and with this init method we are going to initialize our, so let me close it over here. The AI tool is not so helpful over here, right? So let's just go and say I need this to be initialized, which will be of the, okay, so this is what we have, the repository dot the, okay, so this is, okay, so it's the same thing. Sorry for that, it should be this one, so Coinbase WebSocket. Sorry for that. So I imported the wrong one, Coinbase WebSocket. I require that one, so it should be of the Coinbase WebSocket over here as well. So I need that dependency over here, and if I go and say this one has the option to connect over here, and now this is going to return us the WebSocket channel. So I can just go and add it or create the variable over here, or the property that will be of the WebSocket channel over here, and this can be of the nullable, and I'll just go and set this one as the channel over here, and let's just go and copy this, and that will be of this one. So that's going to initialize this one, and in the constructor I guess we can just go and initialize the init method over here, or the init method. So that's going to initialize our the WebSocket over here. So now once we have this particular WebSocket, we can actually go and subscribe to our status channel over here, and I guess that's all for this particular lesson, and in the next lesson we'll go and see how we can subscribe to our status channel over here. Let's meet up in the next one. Till then, have a great day.